Menteri ka Sarkar Jela Marcos N Marak la ong ba umdan jingtip ne jingbna ba ka National People's Party NPP kala perkhat pan ai tiket ya uba Dasakhiat lamare kum ketong syaga election na ka Shillong Lok Sabha seat. Haba kran sekila bathai ko boj pangi ketong ki balik pan tiket na ka parti Umarak la ong ba uba Himalaya M Syang Pliang ula long we ki ketong ki baya pan tiket. Haba kali la ka parti ka don hapedeng ke jingya pai habaya day ba ke jingje de ketong na ka bentar ka Shillong seat. Umarak la ong ha ka sign partai ka don barbor ta ke jing ai jingmut ki babon pa kiran ru ke jingya khnyum pa ke jingya penbet kala don banchiet ya uketong ke bansa Shimrai lang da ka we ke jingmut.
Well, this is a new question for me. I am not aware of anything now, so let me get myself first this thing updated, then I'll get back to you.
So how many, apart from, Dasakhiat's name, how many people have approached the party for the ticket?
Well, I don't know exactly, but there are a few, I think. Basam Pliang is also there, Himasam Pliang. Dasakhiat totally new, name for me. I don't know what exactly is there. Let's see. Party will be taking a call. Whatever party takes a call will be intimated to you.
What about Bajaj?
I don't know. That was news I was told by you guys only. So
Is there any division within NPP with regard to this allotting
Shillong.
of Shillong ticket? Shillong seat
So it's a
ticket?
political party. It's a combination of different leaders. So obviously there will be, argument, opinions. So we are a party which considers it the unanimous. No, so for unanimous we need to have different opinions, and so that is why. So discussions are on. So once we decide means we will be deciding unanimously.
So is
There's
it,
no division as such.
so is it true that the decision to select the Shillong seat candidate is given to the leaders of Kasi Gentlemen's?
That is to be, find out by myself also. It is always the committee there. The committee will decide and find, and then that will be sent to the party high commands, where in the party high commands also there are few leaders in the top, and then we decide as per the I don't know, information that will be available. Whoever will be on the higher side of winning, so we'll be taking call on that basis.